What's going on, gang? I am clocked in. You are locked in to another episode of Fish Guts Fishing. Out here in Howard Beach again. About to take it to the North Channel Bridge, where we did pretty good with the spots and we was able to land ourselves a fluke. So we're not gonna leave the fish to go find the fish. You feel me? So here we are at the bait shop where it all begins. All right, so let's go get us some bait and see what this day has in store for us. Oh yeah. Hello, kitty. Beautiful day, water looks nice. Big Gary. What's going on, bud? How you feeling?
All right.
Good? Bunkers?
No.
No bunkers?
No.
Okay.
Bunker, no blood.
Only lugs?
Plugs.
Okay. I'll take a lugworm,
Okay.
and I guess that'll be it. Good. So I don't have to deal with these rays. I heard they've been around.
Yeah.
Did the fish bites come in?
No, now I'm told tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
I was told last week, now I'm told tomorrow.
Okay, cool.
There are a couple of pieces left in the jams on the blood. This.
All right. What time you know the bunker's coming?
Oh, he comes in different times because he's getting it from the sound.
Oh, okay, okay.
If you want, I'll give you a call when it's in there.
I doubt it because by the time
late morning,
by the time he comes, the tide will be down and I'll be gone.
Okay. All right, are you ready?
Yep. Here we go, guys. $7.50 for some lugworms.
All right, go get them.
That we are about to do, Gary.
Let's see, I was watching.
Let me see the back of that shirt again, Gary. Look, guys. Big Ron's Fishing Station. Make sure y'all hit him up. Yeah, that spot video is doing pretty good, man.
Yeah.
Doing pretty good. Yep. So I'll try to go get some more and stuff like that. You know I got the catch and release record for that.
Oh,
on
yeah?
the New York City fishing records.
All right.
For the spot.
All right.
All right. All right, Gary, take care.
The 9-inch one, right?
Yeah, yep.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. All right, Gary.
All right, I'll be watching today.
Let's see. Hopefully I catch something. All right. So yeah, guys, this is where the day starts. I mean, I'm not upset that they didn't have any bunker because the cow nose rays are here from what I'm hearing, and I really do not want to battle with them. So what we'll do is we'll catch us a spot, chop him up, and use him for bait. All right. So I see you guys when we at the spot. Go get them, gang. We out here. Oh yeah. Here we go, guys. We made it to the spot. Today we're gonna fish the airport side. Today we're gonna fish the airport side. I normally don't fish this side, but I got the bait for the fluke, and I want to try to catch us a keeper today. And the keepers are on this side, so hopefully we can land one. But it's looking good. So this is what the airport side looks like. The other side from what you guys always see. And the airport over there is JFK International Airport. Not international, is it? Yeah, International Airport. So everything comes through there that comes to New York. To let you guys know. And we also have LaGuardia Airport. And that one is just like, you know, regular airport plane. So let's get busy, y'all. Go get them, gang. Oh yeah, gang. I want to show y'all something too, what I noticed while I was driving and I could see my rods right next to me. Make sure you pay attention to see if your line is chafing and stuff like that. And what I mean by chafing is, see what that line is doing? I don't know if you guys can see that, but it looks like it's ready to pop. So you guys got to make sure you check your line, because that right there, I mean that is fraying. I'm sorry. See, the line is fraying. So this right here, I'm gonna have to re-rig it because the line is fraying. You see that? See how that line looks? So yeah, we're gonna fix that and tie us a new knot, all right? So I just wanted to show y'all that. Pay attention to your line. Always look at your line for frays, all right? Go get them. Water looks extra clear. Got a lot of bait in the water right here. Should do all right today, guys. Really should. That's the side I normally would be on. The Brooklyn side. So there you saw, gang, I had the line cut and took off the chafe line. So here I am about to tie this back up so we could get fishing. And I'm gonna tell you guys what we're using for bait today. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now go through there, and then right back through here. Switch that bad boy down. There you go. That's how I do my knots for porgies anyway. There we go. All right, gang, we're all ready, set up and everything. We got our net ready. We got our bucket full of water. Got my chair, which I doubt I'm gonna be able to use. And we got our setups ready to go. So today, right now, we're gonna be going for spots, porgies, and fluke. I wanted to try for blues, bass, and maybe a stingray, but they didn't have any bunker. So if we catch us a spot, we're gonna cut him up and use him for bait, okay? So today, we have the high-low rig. 2 hooks with a 2-ounce weight on a 10-foot Fiblink Super Monster with the PC Fun Captain 4000 size reel. And on here, they didn't have any bloodworms, so I got us some lugworms. So this is what the lugworms look like. They look like a hybrid of sandworms and bloodworms mixed together. So that's what they call lugworms. So we're gonna be using that on the high-low. And then over here on the 7-foot Fierce combo, we have our bucktail jig made by Fishing with Bodie, and we have our regular hook on the top, 12 inches above that. And the bait of choice, we're gonna be using squid strips, and spearing, a combination of both of these. So squid and spearing combo going on the hook. So I like to put my spearing first. I put him first, then I put my strip of squid, just like that. You want it nice and dangly. You want it to be like fluttering in the water. They like things that flutter. So now, same thing with your single hook. I put my spearing first, right through the eyes. And then, same thing. Just get it right through. Here you go. And while that's in the water, it's gonna be like fluttering, like, you know, they like that. And here, you know, I just told you guys about the lugworms. Show you how we do them. It's real nice and easy, simple. Just thread them on the hook. Thread them on. Just thread them on through the hook. Thread them. Just keep threading them. These guys got like a little funky mouth too. See that? They'll get you. Thread them on through, guys. Thread them on through. Let's get us another piece. Put that on. Get these lines in the water. See guys, just put it on, thread them through, just like that, thread them through. Bam. Nice piece of bait. And these lugworms, look, they're pretty nice and big, so you get a bunch of them. So go get them, gang. I see you guys when we on. Oh yeah. Look guys, we get in action. Fish on. There we go, guys. Big diesel spots. Big monster spots. Look at these things, man. These things are on steroids over here, man. Wow. Go get them, gang. We out here. This is a big one, too. Wow. Look at that lugworm. Let's get a measurement on this guy. This gang, 8.5. 8.5. Now we got us some bait. Let's cut them up and let's get that other rod out. Go get them, gang. Look, while I was reeling up the other line, look, we getting some action on the fluke rod. Look, it was dead sticking. It was dead sticking. Look, y'all. Look. There's a fluke there hitting it. There's a fluke there hitting it. There's a fluke there hitting it. He's eating. We're gonna pick this rod up. Get ready to set it on him, alright? We're gonna pick this rod up and we're gonna set it on this guy. There he is, y'all. He's eating. Took it out his mouth, y'all. That's my fault. I'm gonna get him, y'all. Don't worry. Look, he took the spearings. Oh man, we gotta drop back down to get him, and that was on a dead stick, y'all. Dang, look. Fish on. Foul on the play. Foul hook. Foul on the play. Look at that, gang. Oh, man. Got us another one, y'all. We got action, gang. Fish on. Fish on, gang. I was just trying to set the weight and put the rod down. It almost took the rod out of my hand. Wait how this one hit. Let's see what we got here. We got us another spot. Nice one again. Yes, sir. Another nice one, y'all. Look at this. Big one. Alright. Grab it from under. He's croaking. See that hook set? Oh, hope I got that on camera. Flipping. So here we go, gang. I'm about to switch it up real quick. I'm about to throw on a grub and a swimming mullet from Gulp right here. Let's see if they take that. Right now, the crabs just keep taking our bait, the spearings and the squid. They keep taking the spearing, the squid, they just chopping it up. So let's see if we could switch to this and maybe see if we could get them to leave us alone. Let's see. Go get them. These are for the fluke, by the way, for fluke. Here we go, gang. We done switched it out. Got the gulp on top, got the grub on the bottom with the bucktail. Now let's work. Fish on, gang. Fish on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, just feels like a porgy. Whoa. Whoa. It's gotta be a porgy. Baby, let's go. And it's a keeper, y'all. Let's go. Porgy time. I told y'all he start fighting something crazy. Let's go, y'all. Got us a porgy, baby, on the lugworms. Nice. Hey. Come here. Nice chunker. It's about 10. I'll give you maybe 11. 11, y'all. 11 on the dot. 11-inch porgy. Go get him, gang. Woo. Whoa. Go get him, y'all. We out here. Fish on, gang. This guy is way too little. It's a little dory. Little dory right here. Go get bigger. See you in a couple of weeks. Fish on, gang. Oh, it's another little porgy. Another little porgy. Oh. Oh, it's not. It's another big old spot. That's what it is. Whoa. Another big spot. Can't even use you either. Man. Can't use him either. There's a little fish on here. Oh. Now he's fighting. I thought we got, but we didn't. There's actually a fish on here. Can this be our piece of spot for bait? Think so. Yep. We got us a smaller one. We got us a smaller one here, y'all. So with this smaller one here, I'm gonna be able to with this smaller one here, this is what we're gonna use. Try to see if we catch us a week real quick. Alright? I'll show you what that looks like when I'm finished with him. Go get him, gang. We out here. Here we go, gang. I filleted one side of him, and that's what we're gonna use right here. That fillet piece. We're gonna use that for the weak fish, and we're gonna hook it up to this right here. All right. So hopefully we get one, y'all. Let's see. Nice fresh spot fillet. Skin is tough, y'all. But then that just goes to show you what I talk about with the scales. Make sure there's no scales blocking that hook, because that's exactly what'll happen. It'll be so hard for it to penetrate the fish's mouth. So here we go. We got our fillet spot. Let's get this out there. Hopefully it's a weak fish laying around somewhere looking for a quick meal, and we get him. Oh yeah, we could possibly catch a stingray too with that. I forgot, they out here now too. Yikes. So that's out there now for the weak fish. And set up our drag. It's running, you see that? That fish takes it, he could just run. Alright, hopefully we get one, gang. Go get him. We out here. Look at this guy, he's still going crazy. The nerves. Another one on, gang. Alright, how are you? Yeah, right? Gang. Looking good, gang. Looking good. Fish on, gang. I was told by an old timer that back in the days they used to call these Lafayettes, and now we calling them spot croakers. I heard they used to call them Lafayettes back in the days. But here we go, another one. We got another fish on, gang. Spot. We got a runoff over here. I hope this is what we need. Whatever it is hooked up. Whatever it is hooked up. It's not a ray. Whatever it is hooked up and it's not a ray. Oh, yes it is. Yes it is. No, it's not a ray. No, it's not a ray. What is this, y'all? Bluefish. This is a bluefish, y'all. We got us a blue. We got us a blue, y'all. Wait. Is it? Is it? Yes, we got us a blue, gang. We got us a blue, y'all. Wow. It's been a while since I seen my boys. We got us a blue, y'all. Whoo, did y'all see that thing running? Did y'all see that thing running? Whoo. Oh yeah. This is a swinger. Yeah, baby. Let's go, gang. Look. That thing just started running and ringing. I'm glad I put the bell on, baby. I'm glad I put the bell on. Thank you, bell. Go get him, gang. We in business today. We just need our fluke. Oh yeah. Come on, boy. Circle hook right where it needed to be. Let's go, y'all. We cooking with grease now, baby. Let's go. Nice blue on deck. We out here, gang, having a good time. Go get him, y'all. Let's go, baby. I'm stoked. Oh yeah, he took the spot fillet, by the way. Spot fillet. Well, gang, we seen that the spot fillet worked. Let's see if the spot head with all his guts tied up, if this does the trick for somebody too. So we're gonna hook this up right now. There we go. Nice. See that? That's what you want. Let's get this out there now. That surprised me, gang. Out of nowhere, I just hear the bell. Ling, 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 ling. I pressed the camera. I'm like, yo, I hope I got it running. I hope I got it running. I think I did. But now the head is out there. Let's see if something takes this. Let's see if something takes this, y'all. Look at that. He done got my nice white shirt all bloodied up. Got me looking like a butcher. But it's all good. Let's get us another one, gang. Ooh, that drag was set nice too. He was just running. Look, gang, look what we got. Another species. I didn't even know he was on there. How about that? A northern king, y'all. My first one this year. Let's go. Northern king. Pretty fish, ain't it? Let's go, gang. Multi-species day right here. I could dig it. How about y'all? Hope you guys are enjoying yourself today. Please go like and subscribe to Fish Guts Fishing. Look at this, y'all. We're not playing. We're not playing, gang. We're not playing. Go get them. Fish on, gang. Gotta get bigger, man. Come on, scups. Come on, pogies. You guys gotta get bigger, man. Scup. Gang, look at this. Look at this. Look at this guy, man. Well, it's another species. Little sea bass. Come here, guy. Record sea bass here. Whoa. Come here, man. Biscuit. And yes, it has been confirmed. These cow nose rays are here. I just saw a whole school of them, and man, any day now I know I'm gonna hook up with one. Well, gang, that's gonna wrap up this episode of Fish Guts Fishing. We had a good time today. Land a bunch of species of fish. Bunch of different species. So here we go, y'all. Here we got us a bluefish. Here we got us a porgy. Here we got us a bunch of spots. And we also got us the Northern King, my first one this year. So not too shabby of a day. You know, definitely came out and got on some fish for sure, you know, and that's what we do, gang. We go get them. So you already know. So the next episode, go get them, gang. Oh yeah.